What's up? What's up? It's 2020. We still talking about them rental trade lines. This method is the greatest method with its new CPN looking to get an apartment or home after credit repair. The companies below post up to 2 years of rental history on your credit report. This is Rent Reporters again, and this is a way you can kind of report without going directly, I guess I would say, through them. It's kind of a finesse move. And it's the cheapest trade line to get, if you want to be honest. So these trade lines post up to 2 credit bureaus. May soon do Equifax. They do Transunion and Experian. These accounts are great for building your score and getting you approved for smaller cars and apartment rentals. But before starting this, there's a couple of things you need. The companies providing rental trade lines are not in the business of selling trade lines. Just know that. You also need to gather a few things before this to work properly. A lease agreement, blank lease agreement, you can Google that online for your state. It's going to be required. You can find all of them online, or you can scan one and edit the information if you have a scanner and this right here, Adobe DC Pro, or even Photoshop. You're also going to need a friend to help you out on this because they'll be acting as the landlord when the company calls to verify your payment history. You can opt to use your real landlord, but it'll work out more in your favor if you kind of use your friend or some associate of yours if you want to boost it up more. And when picking an address for your lease agreement, make sure you know the actual homeowner's name, and you can do this by Googling your county's tax assessor search, and just Google your county tax assessor. I'm gonna go to here. You have a couple different options. Property account. You can do this. Is all public information. I'm gonna pick the property location. I'm gonna put in my CPN address. Recap verification. Let's go. So boom, there you go. The owner of my CPN property is Daryl Mosley. That's who my friend or associate will play. They will play Daryl Mosley, and they will have a lease agreement sitting in front of them, kind of like the script to read off of. Make sure your friend and landlord are on the same page, and make sure they know they'll be calling. The call will be quick, and it goes something like this. Hi, this is James from Rental Report. We're calling to verify rental information for one of your tenants. How long has Johnny been staying at 123 Sesame Street? How much rent does he or she pay? Have they ever been late on their rent? You're going to answer all the things, pass them with flying colors, and once the verification process is done, you can expect to see the Tradeline report on your credit file between 20 to 30 days. This is something I recommend doing with your actual credit and your CPN. It's the cheapest trade line to get. This will increase your score by 50 to 100 points depending on how much you reported you pay per month in rent and how many leases you choose to send. Remember, these leases must be post-dated, so it's 2020 now. You could say you stayed there from 2017 to 2019, or 2015 to 2017, or even 2013 to 2015. You can do multiple leases for the span of 2 years. This will only help your credit go up more and more. And this is also available in the description box below. The link to get this PDF.